This module explored the foreclosure process in Arizona, focusing on the statutory procedures, timelines, and alternatives available to borrowers and lenders when default occurs. Understanding these processes is essential for real estate professionals to guide clients ethically, accurately, and in compliance with Arizona law. The first key concept introduced was the redemption period, which refers to the timeframe in which a borrower can reclaim ownership of a foreclosed property by paying the full amount owed plus costs. In a judicial foreclosure, this period typically lasts 6 months for occupied or agricultural properties and 30 days for abandoned or non-agricultural properties. In contrast, non-judicial foreclosures, which are conducted through a trustee's sale under a deed of trust, offer no post-sale redemption period. Once the sale concludes, ownership transfers immediately to the winning bidder. We then examined the process of a deed of trust foreclosure, the most common form in Arizona. The lender or beneficiary instructs the trustee to record a notice of trustee's sale, giving at least 91 days notice before the sale date. The notice must be mailed, posted, and published in compliance with ARS. Paragraph 33 through 808. During this time, the borrower has the right to reinstate the loan by paying all past due amounts under ARS. Paragraph 33 or 13. The sale itself is conducted publicly, and once completed, the successful bidder receives a trustee's deed upon sale, finalizing the transfer of ownership without any redemption right. Borrowers or lien holders seeking to stop a trustee's sale can do so by reinstating the loan before the sale date, paying off the full loan balance, or obtaining a court injunction for valid legal reasons, such as defective notice or fraud. Occasionally, lenders may postpone or cancel the sale voluntarily if they are negotiating a loan modification, short sale, or deed in lieu of foreclosure. A critical distinction was made between judicial and non-judicial foreclosures. Judicial foreclosure involves the court system, resulting in a sheriff's sale and offering borrowers a redemption period. Non-judicial foreclosure, used when a property is secured by a deed of trust, does not require court intervention and provides a faster, more definitive outcome. Judicial foreclosures can lead to deficiency judgments if the sale proceeds fail to cover the debt, while non-judicial foreclosures on qualifying residential properties are protected by Arizona's Anti-Deficiency Statute, ARS, paragraph 33-814G. The module also discussed the deed in lieu of foreclosure, a voluntary alternative where the borrower conveys property directly to the lender to avoid formal foreclosure. When properly executed and recorded, this transfer can satisfy the loan balance and help the borrower avoid the public and emotional impact of foreclosure. However, lenders rarely accept a deed in lieu if subordinate liens exist, since accepting the property would also transfer those debts to the lender. Finally, we examined the implications of multiple liens on a property. Lien priority is determined by the order of recording, first in time, first in right. In foreclosure, senior lien holders are paid first, while subordinate liens are extinguished unless junior lien holders act to cure the default or redeem the property. Lenders holding first position liens bear the primary responsibility for following statutory procedures in foreclosure, while junior lien holders must decide whether to protect their interest or risk losing it entirely. For licensees, this module reinforced the importance of staying within professional boundaries when discussing foreclosure matters. Under Commissioner's Rule R4281101B, real estate professionals must not provide legal advice, but should explain the general process, disclose known material facts about property status, and refer clients to qualified attorneys or housing counselors for legal or financial guidance. In summary, Arizona's foreclosure process is a balance between lender recovery rights and borrower protections. Judicial foreclosures provide time and legal recourse, but are slow and costly, while non-judicial foreclosures under deeds of trust offer efficiency and finality. Alternatives, like deeds in lieu, can benefit both parties under the right conditions. The priority and existence of multiple liens heavily influence each outcome. For agents, understanding these processes ensures they can guide clients through difficult financial transitions while remaining compliant with law and ethical obligations. Key supporting sources and case law. Arizona Revised Statutes, paragraph 33801 to paragraph 33821. Deed of Trust and Trustees Sale Procedures. Arizona Revised Statutes, paragraph 412 through 982. Redemption periods. Arizona Revised Statutes, paragraph 33804 G. Anti-deficiency protections. Arizona Revised Statutes, paragraph 33705. Deed in lieu of foreclosure. Commissioner's Rule R428-1101B. Duty of competence and legal referral Maine I Limited. Partnership Umbreeze Venture Capital Construction, 154 Arizona 256, 1987. Finality of Trustees Sale Baker versus Gardner, 160 Rs, 98, 1988. Limitation on deficiency judgments. Inari Crone, 203 Rs 205, 2002. Fairness in foreclosure alternatives.